Alright, so you want to know where to find some big money locations in the vending world. What's up guys, Cashflow Coma here, and in this video I'm going to share you just a really quick tip on where you might be able to find said locations to make 4-digit figures per month per location. So this is one of those things where this goes with anything really, with business, with vending, washaterias, real estate. You need to put yourself in their shoes. Where would they be? Because that's who you want to approach and talk to. I'm going to say this right now. Most locations that you might have thought of already or just thought of, like maybe school. Okay, there are probably more than 1,000 people who have reached out to that school as well. It's just how it is. A lot of locations are already taken, and so what you want to do is be on that list to have them sell it to you, or maybe they just forfeit it over to you if they want to retire and just get out. I have gotten a location for $0. I have gotten a machine for $0. I have a video on that as well. But right now, the little golden nugget that people just crave so much, that really this is information that I have actually been paid for to discuss on the phone and to try to get somebody's vending business up and running. So to find these locations, it's all about, like I said, putting yourself in their shoes. Where would they be? If you were a busy vendor, where would you be? I'm gonna post this picture up right now so you can see what I mean. This was somebody at Sam's Club. They are shopping for their vending business. I didn't say a word to them, and I don't have to, because I know. If you have that many snacks and soda, like think about it, does anyone you know shop that much for snacks and soda, even if they have a family of 4 or 6? Probably not, because that was a ridiculous amount of soda and snacks. Even if they're unhealthy, it's highly improbable. But that is somebody who you want to talk to at Sam's Club or any other kind of wholesale store. That's a vendor. Ask them if they have any locations for sale. Get as much free information from them as you can. Get them talking. That's what you want to do. You want to get them talking. You want them to share their information with you. Get as much knowledge and information for free just by having a quick word with them while they're stocking or buying at Sam's Club. So that's one of these other really golden nuggets that a lot of other vending people and gurus and whatnot will actually want you to pay for in order to hear. I think that's crazy. Even when I did that call that one time, I still really didn't feel good about it. These are things that people just do. People pay for information, but I'm giving you this for free. All I ask in return is if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with maybe a friend who might want to get into vending or someone else who might find this information relatively useful in general. And like I said, guys, this goes for anything in general. If you want to talk to a laundromat owner, go to a laundromat, talk to the employee, because I guarantee you the laundromat owner is probably not there unless it's a mom and pop shop. Ask them if you can talk to them. Get them talking. You want to get them talking. Get as much free information from them as possible. If you know that a property is for lease or maybe it is currently tenanted, you want to contact them, the owner, which is very easy to get if you know how to look up public information, normally on the county website. You want to ask them if they're selling, if they'd like to sell. Get them talking. How did you get this property? Who did you finance with? These are things you want to know. Or like anything else in general. Now stocks, typically I don't find a lot of guys that invest in stocks in person. This is just kind of something that you talk about online. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe you do. If you do, let me know in the comments. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys that quick golden nugget. Put yourself in their shoes. Where would they be? What would they be doing? Where might they be? What can I ask them? These are all questions that you want to know as a business owner or future landlord or future stock investor. Whatever it is, I believe you can do it. And with that being said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.